Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to customize your Jeep Wrangler. We'll start with some fundamental upgrades that can significantly improve your off-road experience and daily driving. First, consider upgrading your tires to a robust all-terrain set for superior traction. Next, a lift kit, often around 2 to 3.5 inches, provides crucial ground clearance. Finally, adding LED light bars or auxiliary lights will dramatically enhance your visibility during night drives or on trails. Moving on to exterior enhancements, these upgrades not only look great but also offer practical benefits. Swapping out your factory bumpers for heavy-duty steel ones provides much better protection against impacts. Rock sliders are essential for safeguarding your Jeep's rocker panels from obstacles on the trail. And for those adventurous moments, a reliable winch, with a pulling capacity of 9,000 to 12,000 pounds, is a crucial recovery tool to get you out of tough spots. Now, let's talk about making the inside of your Jeep as functional and comfortable as the outside. Upgrading your seats can make a huge difference, especially on longer journeys, providing better support and reducing fatigue. An advanced infotainment system with navigation and smartphone integration enhances your driving experience. Don't forget about utility. Secure storage solutions, such as under-seat lockboxes, are perfect for keeping your valuables safe while you're out exploring. Finally, let's consider some performance upgrades to truly elevate your Jeep's capabilities. A cold air intake system can improve engine efficiency and horsepower. Upgrading your suspension system will provide a much smoother ride and better handling, whether you're on the highway or tackling rough terrain. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleaning a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.